mumba kana mune nzara kunzwisisana charo chako pamba pane pasisina kwenguva kutukana kongoti chinjana mashoko kuti unenge wataurirwawo risinganyatsi kukugutsa zvakanaka wodarirawo zvaunodarira saka hazvizomiri zvakanaka.
Disasters, epidemics, and any humanitarian emergencies have always disproportionately negatively impacted women through social isolation, economic insecurity, and breakdown of public services. Such was the case with COVID-19, whose dawn did not only put a spotlight on the existing models of inequality across the world, but surfaced multiple pandemics faced by African women.
Vakusisina vanga vachitenga vanhu vari palockdown mari dzisingachawaniki saka zvazvatiomei ike zvinezvi handina chandiri kuita nenyaya yecovid yakabva yandidzosera pasi pataimbovana zvimari zvataitengesa zviya ndichimbojoinidza ndimbonoodhawo zvimwe zvazvisingachakwanisiki.
Women in rural areas, in slums, and in informal settlements were further impacted by the absence of basic resources.
Chibatwa neCovid hauna bucket rekugezera sipo yekuti ugeze Covid yacho sanitizer yacho hapana kwataiwana nekuti dasina mari yekutenga.
As governments concentrated all efforts on curbing the pandemic, other critical needs were sidelined. Moves intended to contain the spread of the disease left women exposed with no prevention or responsive mechanisms in place.
Benin is a country where patriarchy is really at high level, and in rural areas it is really pronounced. When COVID-19 came, it disrupted everything, and we have a government that really focused on ending the spreading of the disease, and also we have some barriers that the government put so that we cannot reach those rural areas. One of the things that we notice is that women do not have access to mental issues, sexual and reproductive issues, and pills that they can use.
Urgent Action Fund Africa came through with the COVID-19 Rapid Response Grants, which availed much needed support.
Our women managed to do some small projects which they are surviving with up to now. So when we were given a grant, we bought a sewing machine. We have women who come to our office, use that sewing machine to prepare their own face masks.
There is much to affirm and celebrate as this Pan-African Feminist Fund deepened its relationships with grassroots initiatives across the continent to ensure African women's security, dignity, and autonomy.